Everyone. This is Mrs. Becker. I'm sorry I couldn't be in school today. Unfortunately, I have a funeral to go to. To make math a little bit easier, I wanted to try using YouTube so you could listen to the lesson and see the lesson and work along as I give you instructions. So on your desk, you should already have a paper that looks like this. It should say Chapter 3, Lesson 10, Class Notes. We're going to start with the warm-up first this morning. We're just going to go through the problems together, and then you want to fill it out on your table here. As you can see, some of them will not require work. Actually, only number 1 will not require work. The rest of them, you need to show some sort of work and then write your answer neatly here. The substitute will be collecting these because this is your classwork assignment, so I will be checking to make sure that you followed along and did what you needed to do. Okay, we're going to start the lesson for today. It's hopefully going to look similar to other lessons. So we are starting lesson 9. Actually, I believe this is lesson 10. I'm sorry, I did not remember to change that. So we're actually starting lesson 10 today. We're going to review something from lesson 9 that we learned yesterday morning. We're going to start with these warm-up problems, just like I showed you on that worksheet. So you should have a pencil out, and you can have a calculator out to check your answers. Again, this should be done independently. You do not need your neighbor. Your headphones should be on, hopefully for the entirety of this lesson. Okay? Here's your first warm-up problem. It says divide using mental math. You want to divide 28,000 divided by 400. Make sure you're checking that basic fact. 28 divided by 4 gives you what? Please take this time to pause the video and write your answer on number 1 on the warm-up page. Warm-up problem 2, I want you to estimate. Please do not forget to show me how you estimated. That goes in the work column. Again, please pause this video now so you can complete the problem. Number 3, I want you to divide using the partial quotient method. You want to show your work on scratch paper. Excuse me, not on scrap paper, on your worksheet that the substitute handed out for you. You want to divide 672 divided by 5. I gave you lots of space on that problem, so please take your time and show your work. Please pause the video now so you can work. Do not forget to check your answer, and do not forget to write the remainder if there is one. Number 4, I want you to divide using a bar diagram. Remember, you're breaking that rectangle into 3 pieces, and then you're breaking this number 488 into hundreds and tens and ones. And not forget to place your divisor on that bar diagram. Again, show your work on the paper that was passed out to you and pause the video now. Last one, warm up number 5. You want to divide using long division. You have a 4-digit dividend here. You want to show your work on the paper. Again, please show your work nice and neatly. Notice how 6 cannot go into 5, so you're going to have to start with asking yourself how many times you can divide 52 divided by 6. Please show your work, do your best, and you may pause the video now to work on this problem. We are going to be starting the lesson today, which is lesson 10. I want you to please, after this video ends, which is going to end in just a second here, you are going to go back into Google Classroom because you just completed step 1, which is the warm-up video, and you want to go to the lesson 10 video. Again, all of these are linked in the Google Classroom. Please do your best to make sure you're following along, showing your work, and staying quiet. Thank you.